In today's video, we are going to look at the 5 W's in Igbo language and how best to use them to form sentences. I mean the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why. Okay? Yes. Now before we delve into what we have for today, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Ngozi. My name is Ngozi, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun as usual. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. You guys are amazing. Okay? Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. You're welcome back, okay? None. So let's start with what. What? In Igbo, you simply say gini. Gini. Gini is what? Gini. What? So let's look at these questions using gini, okay? Yes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Gini ka ị na-eme? Gini ka ị na-eme? Gini ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gini ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Okay? The next one is, what are you eating? What are you eating? Gini ka ị na-eli? Gini ka ị na-eli? Okay? Gini ka ị na-eli? What are you eating? Okay? But there's one other thing about what in Igbo language. Gini or Kedi. Gini or Kedi can be used interchangeably. Okay? So let's look at these sentences. The same questions I asked before with Gini. You can either say Gini ki na-eme, what are you doing? Or Kedi iwe ị na-eme. Gini ki na-eme? Or Kedi iwe ị na-eme. Gini ki na-eli? Or Kedi iwe ị na-eli. Gini ki na-eli? Or Kedi iwe ị na-eli. What are you eating? So it's either you use gini or Kedi and you will still be correct. Okay? Now let's look at another question. We have, what do you think you're doing in English, right? What do you think you're doing? In Igbo, you simply say, Gini ka ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? Gini ka ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? Gini ka ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? What do you think you're doing? You can also say, Kedi iwe ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? Kedi iwe ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? Kedi iwe ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? What do you think you are doing? So it's either you say, Gini ka ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? Gini ka ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? Or, Kedi iwe ọ dị gị ka ị na-eme? Gini and Kedi, they both mean what in English language, okay? So we have Gini or Kedi for what, okay? Now let's take the last sentence before we move to the next one. What do you want? Kedi iwe icho? Kedi iwe icho? Or Gini ka icho? Gini ka icho? Gini ka icho? Or Kedi iwe icho? Okay? Good. Now the next on our list today is when. When. In Igbo, we simply say mwe, mwe, or oge, oge. That has to do with time, okay? Oge or mwe. That is for when. Alright, so let's look at this. Kedi oge owu? Kedu oge owu? When is it happening? You know, when is it? When is it? Kedi oge owu or Kedi mwe owu? Kedi mwe owu or Kedi oge owu, okay? Kedi oge owu or Kedi mwe owu. So it's either you use mwe or oge. It's still the same thing. Kedi oge owu or Kedi mgbe owu. That's for when is it? That's what time is it? When is the event? Okay? Kedi oge owu. So another one is this. Kedi mgbe icholia. Kedi mgbe icholia. When do you want it? Kedi mgbe icholia. Or Kedi oge icholia. Kedi oge icholia. Or Kedi mgbe icholia. Simply means when do you want it? Okay? That's when would you like to have it? Okay? When would you like to have it? Kedi mgbe icholia or Kedi oge icholia. Alright? Yes. So the next on our list here is where. Where. Where in Igbo, you simply say ebe. Ebe. Okay? Or nebe. Ebe or nebe. Or nka. Or ibe. Okay? Nka or ibe or ebe or nebe. Ebe, nebe, nka or ibe. So now let's form questions with them. Okay? Kedi nka ineje? Kedi nka ineje? Where are you going? Kedi nka, have you seen it? Nka. Kedi nka ineje? Or Kedi ebe ineje? Kedi ebe ineje? Ebe ineje. Where are you going? Okay? So we have Kedi nka ineje 1. We have Kedi ibe ineje 2. We also have Kedi ebe ineje. Okay? Kedi nka ineje? Kedi ibe ineje? Or Kedi ebe ineje? Simply translate, where are you going? Okay? Now the next one is Kedi ebo. Kedi ibo. Kedi nka o. Simply means where. Assuming someone is telling you something, okay, you are discussing something and a person tells you about a particular location, you normally ask where. So in Igbo you can simply say Kedi ebo. Kedi iko. Kedi ibo. So where, as in where are you talking about? Okay? Kedi ibe o. Kedi nko. Kedi ebo. Or you can also say nebe. Where? Nebe. Nebe. Where? Nebe. Okay? Yes. Let's form questions like where are you? Where are you? You see, it's location, okay? Where are you? Kedi ebe ino. Kedi ebe ino. Where are you? Kedi, excuse me. Kedi ebe ino. Where are you? Kedi ebe ino. Or Kedi nka ino. Where are you? Kedi ebe ino. Or Kedi nka ino. Now let's look at where are you right now? Right now. Kedi nka ino kita. Kita right now. Now, you know. Kedi nka ino kita. Kedi nke ino kita. Or Kedi ebe ino kita. Kedi ebe ino kita. Kita right now. Like now. Kedi ebe ino kita. Or Kedi nka ino kita. Okay? Or you can also say Kedi nka ijebe. Where have you been? Kedi nka ije. Kedi ebe ije. Where are you? Also. Or where did you go? Kedi ebe ije. Kedi ebe ije. Or Kedi nka ije. Where did you go? Or where have you been? Okay? Look at this. Okay? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Or where did you go yesterday? Okay? We've looked at kita, that is now, right now. So let's look at yesterday. Kedi ebe ino onya. Kedi ebe ino onya. Or Kedi nka ino onya. Onya, yesterday. Ta, today. Kita, right now. So Kedi ebe ino onya. or kedi nka ino unya, or kedi ebe ije unya, kedi ebe ijere unya. Where did you go yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Okay, now let's look at the day before yesterday. Kedi nka ino nwanne unya. Nwanne unya is the day before yesterday. Nwanne unya. Okay, we also have nwanne echi, the day after tomorrow. Okay, but right now we're talking about the past. So kedi nka ijelu nwanne unya. Okay, so now let's look at where will you be tomorrow? Where will you be tomorrow? Kedi nka iya ano echi. Kedi nka iya ano echi, or kedi ebe iya ano echi, or kedi ebe iya ano echi nine. Remember I told you something in our previous videos that echi nine or echi means tomorrow, the same thing. So it's either you say echi nine or echi, okay? So kedi nka iya ano echi nine, or kedi ebe iya ano echi. Simply translate, where will you be tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? Kedi ebe iyeje echi nine. Okay? Kedi nka iyeje echi nine. Where will you go tomorrow? Kedi nka iya ano echi. Where will you be tomorrow? Okay? That reminds me, in our dialect, when we want to say last week or a week ago, we simply say avia awolo. Avia awolo. Avia awolo. Avia awolo. That is last week, a week ago. Then last year we have akawolo. Akawolo. Okay? Yes. So the next on our list today is who. Who. Yes, in Igbo you simply say onye. Onye is who. Okay? Onye is who. So we have, who is this? Kedi onye bu ire. Kedi onye bu ire. Kedi onye bu ire. Okay? Who is this? Kedi onye bu ire. Okay? Now we have, who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? Kedi onye na-acho. Kedu onye na-acho. Who are you looking for? Kedi onye na-acho. Kedu onye na-acho. Okay? Who are you? Kedi onye ewu. Kedu onye ewu. Who are you? Kedi onye ewu. Kedu onye ewu. Who are you looking for? Kedi onye na-acho. Who is he looking for or she looking for? Kedi onye o na-acho. Now that reminds me, I think the next video is going to be on pronouns, okay? Yes. So back to what we were saying. Kedi onye o na-acho. Who is he or she looking for? Kedi onye I na-acho. Who are you looking for? Kedi onye I na-acho. Okay? Yes. Kedi onye na-ekwu. Who is talking? Okay? You can be on the phone and you hear something like, hello? Yeah, who am I speaking with? Yeah, in Igbo, you simply say, Kedi onye na-ekwu. Or Kedi onye mụ na ya na-ekwu. Who am I speaking with? Kedi onye mụ na ya na-ekwu. Mụ na ya na-ekwu. Kedi onye mụ na ya na-ekwu. Okay? Who am I speaking with? Who is on the line? Kedi onye na-ekwu. Who is speaking? Good. So who is onye in Igbo language? The last but not the least is why. Maka gini. Maka gini. Why are you crying? Maka gini ka iji ebe akwa. Maka gini ka iji ebela akwa. Why are you crying? Maka gini. Or maka gini ka iji eti mkpu. Why are you shouting? Maka gini ka iji eti mkpu. You can also say kedi iwe kpatalo iji eti mkpu. Kedi iwe kpatalo. Kedi iwe kpatalo. Or kedi iwe kpatalo iji eti mkpu. Kedi iwe kpatalo can also pass for why. Why are you shouting? Kedi ive kpatalu iji eti mkpu. Mkpu is shout. Or kedi ive iji etili mkpu. Kedi ive why. So we have kedi ive kpatalu or maka gini. This three can be used as why, okay? You just have to choose the one that is convenient for you. Kedi ive kpatalu iji we menye. Kedi ive kpatalu iji we menye. Why did you do it? Why did you do it? Kedi ive kpatalu iji we menye. We menye. Did we me. Did we me. Okay? So maka gini ki iji menye or maka gini ki iji we menye simply means why did you do it? Okay? Kedi ive kpatalu iji we menye. Or you can also say kedi ive kpatalu iji we me udi omume. Kedi ive kpatalu iji we me udi omume. Why did you behave like that? Why did you behave like that? Remember, I taught you omume and agwa. They all pass for character or behavior. Okay? Kedi ive kpatalu iji we ba udi agwa. Kedi ive kpatalu iji we ba udi agwa. Why did you behave in that manner? Why did you behave in such way? Okay? Kedi or maka gini ki iji we ba udi agwa. You got to go now? Yes. Kedi ive iji we ba udi agwa. Kedi ive iji we ba udi agwa. Why did you do that? Why did you behave like that? Okay? I'll try to use this W's to form questions, regular questions, okay? So you understand how to make yours. Today's bonus is how. How, okay? Yes. In Igbo, you simply say Kedi elo, Kedi ele o, or Kedi etuo, Kedi etuo for how. So you want to say how. You want to ask, how do you mean? Kedi elo or Kedi etuo, and that's how. Or let's look at this question. How do you want it? How do you want it? Kedi etu isicho. Kedi etu isicho or kedi ele ishicho. Kedi etu ishicho or kedi ele ishicho. How do you want it? Okay? Or you can also say kedi ele isichia. Kedi ele isichia or kedi etu isichia. Kedi ele isichia or kedi etu isichia. Okay? Either of them is correct, so it depends on what you want or the one convenient for you. Okay? Kedi ele isichia or kedi ele isicho. Kedi etu isicho or kedi etu isichia. Okay, and that brings us to the end of today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, turn your notification bell by hitting the subscribe button, okay? So that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Ngozi. See you in my next video. Bye.